Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to set the clock of Maruti Swift. For some purpose I have disconnected the battery terminals and the watch settings are just completely disturbed. I'm going to turn on the ignition. As you can see, the time here shown is 6:46 and the current time is around 10:50. So let's set it. There are two buttons over here. We'll have to press them simultaneously, both together. Soon as you press, the R side will start to bring. Now the button on the right hand side can rotate both in clockwise as well as in counterclockwise. When we'll rotate in the clockwise, the R side will shift to its higher value, and when we'll rotate it in counterclockwise, it will shift to the lower side value. So the time at present is 10:49. No, it's around 10:50 now. So let's, as you can see, now R side has been fixed 10. So again we have to press this button once, and now the mint section will start to blink. Now it's 48, and here we go, it's set. Now again, to confirm it, we have to just press the right side key. Time is set. Now let's check out whether it's correctly set or not. I've removed the key from ignition, again turning on, and here we go, the time is set.